The National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health says healthcare is the fastest growing sector of the United States financial system. For those looking to start or growing their career in the field, there's a hiring event coming up here in the Mid-Ohio Valley. Tonight, we're joined by Meredith Sabali and Melissa Fernandez to share more on the Careers in Care event. Ladies, thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you. Yeah.
Of course. So, Meredith, I want to come to you first. What's going to be going on at this event? What can people expect?
Yeah, so we've invited several employers as well as educators there at the event. So what we'll essentially have is opportunities for those looking to get into the healthcare, maybe those already established, to either boost or look at opportunities in the area for training as well as hiring opportunities.
Absolutely. And so can you tell us a little bit more, when and where will this event be going on?
Yes, so that is taking place Wednesday, which is April 23rd from 2 to 6 p.m. At the Washington County Fairgrounds and the Civitan building, which is behind the roller rink.
Perfect. And so, Melissa, I'd like to come to you too now. Can you just tell us a little bit more about what time it starts, kind of the importance too of having an event like this within the community?
Okay. So it does start at 2 o'clock, and the importance really is to allow the public to come in and just see different opportunities that are right here within our community. We have roughly how many employers?
12 to 13. Yeah.
12 to 13 employers that are coming, and it's just a good way for them to know what jobs are open and available and to see what avenues they want to go into.
Absolutely. And so who can people maybe, open question to either of you, who can people maybe expect to see at an event like this as well?
Yes, so we have Washington State College of Ohio and Washington County Career Center for Training Opportunities, but we also have some big employers there, Merida Memorial, as well as Camden Clark and other home health services and EMT services as well.
Great. And so is this event free to the public?
Yes, it is all free and open to the public.
And what are things maybe for people, obviously it's a hiring event, so maybe resume, some other things. What are things maybe that you guys would suggest for people who are going to attend to bring with them?
Yeah.
So definitely become prepared to do interviews, meet employers. We are offering a resume building center over off to the side. So if you need to update your resume or build your resume, we can do that right there, right then and there at the event. But we also, if you want to come to the OMJ Center, we're down on 311 3rd Street. We have representatives there that can help you before you come. So.
Perfect. I was going to say, I also want to ask too, is there anything else that you guys want to highlight about the event? Is this the first time you guys are doing this? Is this something that you guys do every year? Can you talk a little bit more about it?
Yeah, so this is the first time we've had a focused hiring event like this. So we're very excited to bring something like this to the community, especially focusing on those different fields. So
absolutely.
Yeah.
Melissa, anything else from you too?
No, I'm good.
Well, ladies, thank you so much for sharing your event with us here. It sounds like it's going to be a great time on Wednesday, and I wish you guys the best of luck.
All right, thank you.
Of course, when we return Mid-Ohio Valley, Jason will have one last look at your forecast. Stay with us.